Hello everyone, Hatem from Objection, back again with the news as we always never promised. Today we brought for you the multi-mount, this Elgato, this is arm kit, okay, flex arm kit. We're still running behind Elgato products, serials, continuing my videos. One day come to me from Post Elgato Wave 3, Stream Disc, one day Capture HD. Every day, as you see in my video, I order from all over the world. One part from Poland, Germany, America, Canada, Australia. I'm about to order from Moon. I can't understand. You enter elgato.com, they have nothing. Everything out of stock. What does this company work? What they are doing? I can't understand. Anyway, let's open and see what's this. Listen to me. I'll explain you something. This is multi-mount, okay? Focus. There is Elgato multi-mount. The standard for mic. Look, I have the mic, okay? But I don't want to do like this. I want to talk like this. I want it to have standard that I can talk, push him, grab him closer like here, according to my streaming, according to my video, according to what I'm doing, okay? This is Elgato Wave 3, by the way. This is not the standard for mic. This is the upper part, which is mean this is the flexible. I'm still waiting for the multi-mount, the other piece that's coming. This is flex arm kit, so you have to mention and understand that there's two parts. If you will buy this alone, you will not do anything. I have one complaint about Elgato. Why they make a cheap box like this brown? Why didn't they make it blue like the other stuff? For example, see, all Elgato stuff was like this blue box, beautiful. I don't know why they make it. Even the pop-up filter, the filter for mic is the blue box. Beautiful. Why it's like this cheap? Like this is for cigarettes. Like this is box for cigarette. What a cheese. I mean, like they make me feel that this is cheap. Guys, this is 56 euro. Okay, it's cost me without delivery, without internal delivery inside Germany, and then delivery to me here. So it's not cheap that they make it like this cheap. Honestly, I don't like this. What's this cigarette box? Anyway, when you open here, you find what is this, how to connect it, how to not connect it. Actually, when I looked at this catalog, I lost. Better to not look and connect it by myself. We have here the upper part. You can open and close here. Okay, this is where I will connect it to my mic. You got me? But first, I need to connect it to shock mount. It's coming also, you know. Everything is coming. Filter coming. I don't know when they will come. I don't know. Anyway, this is the other part. I will show you now. I will connect it. This here. It's 4 pieces inside. You got me? By the way, it's nice quality. So that's all inside the box. It's like a box for eggs, you know. Okay. You know, guys, to be honest with you, why I stuck with Elgato products? Because they are doing very, very well, to be honest with you. Yes, the software is not easy to use. I mean, for Stream Disc software is not that easy. Them software for capture 4K, they not explain that well. And you should have videos. For example, I sit day and night to understand this. I suffer, honestly, to understand this stuff. But you should have tutorial video official from them site, showing what to do, showing not to do, but not just create and throw it in market and you not show to you are hoping in some videos, in some amateur videos in YouTube that no one know anything and no one can explain you anything well. Everyone pretending that he know in the part that he doesn't know, he pass it, and you have to do like this. Yeah, open software, do no. I don't need like this. I don't need to run behind YouTubers that half of them they doesn't know anything. He just save a couple of words and they go repeat it. I need that Elgato show exactly how to connect the Stream Disc, how to open the options, the features, tips and tricks, everything about the Stream Disc. You got me? You need to show me mic, how to do. You need to show me the Stream Disc. You need to show me everything. I don't need to run behind any. You should have your official videos. This is shame point from Elgato. Okay. And number 2 about. What was that? What is this eggs cartoon for? What is this? I mean, this is shy to. It's shame that Elgato do like this. But anyway, you may say me, what do you need from box? Actually, I bought it as decor because I love to put stuff that I bought and like this behind me, and I hate myself, but I like to do that. I drink a little bit Call of Duty, you know. Oh. Okay, guys, let me see that. This is the Excel bar. They say this is the Excel bar. This is 24 centimeter. Okay, listen, it's nice quality. Flix arm kits, and you have this 17 centimeter. You have this 8 centimeter, and you have this also 8 centimeter. Okay, please tell me, what do you understand from this? What do you understand? Do you understand something? Nah, it's not. This is not tutorial. This is not. It's not. You show like this. You can't show like this. This is not a beer anything. What is this? You have Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitch. I don't know all this, and it doesn't have videos to explain. No. If I'm saying to Elgato, if you wanna, you are doing great stuff, but if you want to work well and work as professional company, you have to have official videos showing. For example, you may ask me, iPhone and Samsung, they doesn't have official videos. They just show you that cameras 100 megapixels, for example, for Samsung, like this, like that. No, but they have a lot of official YouTubers by them. It's showing. You got me? All of these companies, that big companies like Asus, etc., they have YouTubers, they deal with them, they give them all introduction, do like this, do like that, show these points necessarily, and they pay them or they give them pieces for free. But they have YouTubers that they do. But what I saw in internet, these YouTubers, he just, I guess, yeah, this is wow. You can do it like this, you know, and fly. Anyway, it's not that big. It's not that big deal, you know. You connect this to this, and this to this, and this. I need to open it now. See, I need to open it. It's not that big deal. And put it, close, and close back again. So, it's not that. But for example, me another guy, he not understand how to do this. Me another guy, he got confused. Me another guy, oh, why like this? Me, it's you should. L N. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again on other videos with Hatem Objection. Please don't forget to follow and subscribe. And by the way, I will open my Call of Duty channel soon, and it's called HRUSHEVSKOHO. And please don't forget to follow me. I will do great videos for you and tips and tricks. I will do everything because actually I'm a gamer, you know. I'm a soldier, and I love games. I don't know why all this time I didn't do. I was pro player in Tekken, Peace, Need for Speed, Overwatch, and so many games, especially Tekken. I was so pro player in Tekken. Now I don't play these games anymore. I was Call of Duty Modern Warfare Online. I was so pro player in Call of Duty Modern Warfare. I was top rank. I don't know. I didn't take less screenshots. I didn't take any screenshots or videos. I didn't show anything for. This was my mistake. But now I will create another channel and I'll show everyone my talent. So please subscribe and follow. Love you all.